World-renowned luxury Italian coachbuilder Ares Modena has released details of its bespoke Defender V8 hardtop. Ares has first overhauled the design of the Defender. The changes start at the front, where the Land Rover has been equipped with a new grille, a prominent Ares badge and an eye-catching hood. Based on a Land Rover Defender chassis and featuring a suspension lift kit, the Ares Defender V8 hardtop rides 35mm higher than the standard model on striking 18-inch Ares design alloy wheels wrapped in Cooper Discoverer tires. Wider wheel arches, an Ares design carbon fiber bonnet, a new single-piece carbon fiber front end featuring powerful LED headlamps nestling in a contemporary themed grille, and new rear circular LED taillights amplify the Defender's purposeful styling. The company's designers have also made a series of comprehensive upgrades to the cabin of the Defender. It sports plush leather across the seats, transmission tunnel, door panels, steering wheel, and dashboard, while also having plenty of wooden accents. An Alpine infotainment system is also featured alongside Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as is an upgraded 6-speaker audio system with a subwoofer. The standard 4-cylinder engine has also been replaced with a 5.3-liter naturally aspirated V8 pumping out 355 horsepower and 383 pounds-foot of torque. Mated to this V8 is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Ares says it will only produce the Defender V8 hardtop as a limited series, but has not yet said how many units will be built. Each will be priced from €235,000.